Tungkol ito sa isang modern Filipino-Chinese family. Hindi nila napapansin because of the everyday lives na iniikutan nila. Unti-unti na nag-fall apart yung samahan nila bilang isang pamilya.
My role here is a patriarch or the father of a modern Filipino-Chinese family.
I think my role is very timely kasi he's a drug addict. This is showing what happens inside the family once there is someone who is involved into drugs.
I am Debbie Wong. Ako yung wife ni Wilson Wong na played by Richard Yap, a mother of 3 beautiful children.
I'm gonna play Caroline, college freshman. Lagi niyang hinahanap yung love ng papa niya.
I played the kuya. I was disowned by my family because I was gay.
My role, I would say, he's a hopeless romantic at nahanap niya yung pagmamahal na yun kay Jean Garcia.
My role in this film is si Jocelyn. I'm the light of Enchong. Ako yung tutulong sa kanya kung paano siya magbabago para sa sarili niya, para sa pamilya niya.
Yung role ko kasi dito sa Mano po is music professor ni Janela.
Ako po dito si Henry, estudyante na maging klase ni Janela. Umaasa na may feelings din siya for me.
Being part of Mano po is really an honor for me.
Nasa probinsya pa lang ako pinapanood namin yung Mano po. Di ba, what better way to be part of a movie than your heritage itself?
Nung binasa ko kasi yung script, sabi na in love ako dun sa sinulat ni Senedique. Kasi it tackles about yung typical Chinese problem ng family nila. So nakakatuwa lang na bigyan ako ng opportunity na ma-experience ito.
Even if sabihin mong hindi ikaw yung pinaka-main character, it's really okay because Mano po it has its own legacy kasi being a part of Mano po is already a big thing for me.
Based on experience, I was part of the original Manapo. Whenever there's like a role that's parang naka-tailor-made para sa'yo, they always offer it to me.
When they told us the story about Mano po, it was a very good story. We found it to be very relevant to today's stories of Filipino-Chinese.
And I think Manapo is one of the very few franchises na sa palagay ko na ganito ka-successful.
I would say Mano po is definitely a tradition that every Christmas is something that you look forward to watch. It's almost like shake, rattle, and roll.
Although hindi nasama sa MMFF, it's still a big film. Sa tagal ba naman ng inantay din ng mga tao na magkaroon ng installment ng Mano po, ito na yun.
Isang malaking iconic franchise ang Mano po.
Actually, yung pinaka-first Mano po talaga pinanood ko pati kung anong ranking niya sa MMFF. Naging Best Picture. Sobrang fan ako. It's an honor na mapasama dito.
I would just like to invite you all to watch Mano po 7, Chinoy.
Mga agang pamasko po para sa inyong lahat.
Directed by Ian Loreño, hatid po sa inyo ng Regal Films.
This will be showing on December 14 at all cinemas nationwide.
Mano po 7, Chinoy.